Lezter.
What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Quells World. I'm your host, Mr. JDM Quells, and today I have another episode for you. It's mail time. So this video is not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Full disclaimer, all these parts were bought and paid for fully by me. I'm just giving shouts out to the companies that pretty much are going into my build, or the companies that have been supporting me along this way with super fast shipping and great customer service. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave some links in below, and I'll also tag them in the video as I go along. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. So just to give you guys a little update what's been going on with my build so far. 2 weeks since I've dropped the motor off, the motor's almost done. I had a little bit of clearance issue with the Drag Cartel oil pump and a little clearance issue with the oil pan itself. My man Amari is getting that squared away. In about another week, I'll actually be picking up a transmission in Buffalo, New York, which is about a 7-hour drive away. But I got this transmission for steel, and I cannot pass up on it. You guys will be able to see my motor, and it'll be back in next week. Also, the car itself is actually getting shipped off in about 2 weeks. The shop I was supposed to drop it off to last week, unfortunately, got a little bit more packed than he expected. But that's okay. We're still on deadline. I'm actually a lot earlier than I actually anticipated as far as getting these parts. I got a killer deal in this package, which I'm going to show you guys some of these parts that I got from Mr. Rob Maps himself. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, so I got some great parts in today. I got my Ross Machines 90mm throttle body. This thing is beautiful. Holy shit. CNC by, like I said, Ross Machine Racing. This thing is not supposed to stick or anything like that. Got the different options for your throttle body cable, throttle body cable bracket. It's purple and black, looks great. I also got my 3-port with the race car bracket for it as well. Actually, these parts were used, but they were not really used. They were just put on the car. They were never ran or anything like that. So all these parts are actually still brand new. They have like no oil or anything on them. Also got my 4-bar map sensor. And a couple other brackets that came with these parts as well from the guy I bought it from, Mr. Rob Maps. Thank you very much, Rob, for those. You do a great thing in the racing community. Appreciate all the support and actually getting these to me for a really good price. All right, guys, on to the next. This Gato has been a dream come true. I hit up my boys down at Tri-State Motorsports and asked them to hook me up with a black Gato manifold. They told me that Black Gato does not make the manifold in black, but they said no worries. They hit up the guys down at Quick Strip in New Jersey. They talked to Mike, and Mike said, man, I got a great color that I think will look great with this guy's build, and this is it right here. Quick Strips did a killer job. This thing came out beautiful. I don't even want to put it on the car. As you guys can see, it actually has a 105mm throttle body port at this end. And when I take the Ross machine, put it up, bam, this thing should be pretty fucking nice on this car, man. And it looks actually really good together. So I cannot wait to put these two together and get this car rolling, get this thing inside the engine bay, man, because I got a lot of other parts that you guys are gonna love. And of course, I got my center feed K-tuned throttle body bracket. So that's all ready set to go. The intake manifold just needs its injectors. And the fuel rail is here as well. I didn't want to take it out, but fuck it, I'll take it out. See, so he actually quick stripped this as well and painted this in a gloss black, which actually goes hand in hand with my Ross machine intake throttle body. So the colors are coming together nice, man. I can't wait to put this all together. I'm actually kind of sad that I actually took it out this packaging because I don't want it to get damaged or anything like that. But I cannot wait until this thing is put together. This thing, man, you guys don't believe this dream has this build has been a dream come true. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I got a lot more to show you. All right, so this is my Sheepy built manifold. I got a 60mm wastegate flange, and I also have my T4 flange. Still trying to figure out what turbo I want to run yet. I'm either going to run a Garrett or Precision. Most likely going to be either 72 or 68. Still working out the kinks with that. Soon that'll be slapped on here. The teal 60mm V-band will be on here in the next couple of weeks. Still waiting for that to come in. It's a pretty pricey part, so gotta wait, you know. Rome wasn't built in a day, but I'm really happy with it so far, how far I've gotten. Hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Next week, you guys get to join me as I go and pick up this transmission. Keep it surprised and let you guys know, keep guessing actually, what transmission you guys think I'm gonna go with. You guys think I'm gonna go with a CRV? You guys think I'm gonna go with the Element? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. If you like this video, we'll give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell.